Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Nugget Shooterette Expeditions, if you're new to the channel. Today, I'm out here with Bill doing something a little different that he's been recently doing and I haven't really done yet myself. Bill has a new hobby of geocaching, so that's what we're doing right now, but I figured that I might try to metal detect also, maybe while he's doing this in some spots. I mean, you never know what you might find. So I'll just show you around. We're just kind of in the open area. Oh, there's Mr. Southern.
Howdy, howdy. And Bruno and our GPS.
And his GPS. And this is the area we're in. We're still in Flagstaff.
It's good practice for learning a GPS.
Oh, he's telling y'all something. What?
I say it's good practice for using a GPS and learning how to find gold sites or anything. Just good practice and fun to do with the family.
Yeah, so we're going down this dirt roads, and he's got to try to find this thing, and then I guess what do you do? Sign something, log in, sign it, and he puts it back.
Yeah, you know what? I'll show you one right now, and you can show them.
But I guess we might be at one now.
We are.
So that means I gotta get out the truck.
And if you get out of the truck, I'll show you right how they...
Uh-oh, car's coming.
Incoming. Okay, let's get parked.
Anyway, a car's coming, so let me get back with you in a second so we get out the way of the road. All right, y'all. He's gonna tell you about geocaching.
We're gonna follow. This is us right here.
I don't know if they can see it, but
Oh yeah, they sure they can. That's us, and we're going to that geocache is somewhere right over here.
okay. Let's go see what we're looking for, y'all.
And I've gotten pretty good at finding these. It's right over here.
And it could be anywhere, up in a tree, on the ground, in a bottle, in a fake log, under a rock, right?
Yep.
So
somebody's been here looking for this one. Look at all the rocks they overturned.
This is my first time out with him doing the geocaching to help him find it.
Now this guy piles his up under rocks. So I found one of them already that he's done. And he stashes them under rocks, but I didn't get this one yet. It's here. Maybe over this way.
All right, y'all. Well, you see, got the idea. We're searching for something, and then I guess he has to log in and sign his name or something and put it back where he gets it. And I'll get back with y'all when we find it. Okay, Bill says he spotted it. He asked me to see if I could find it. So let me look around. I think I see something over here behind this rock. I found it, I think.
Yep.
It's right there, y'all.
Isn't that cool?
And see, it says geocaching.com game piece.
That's the logbook you're looking at.
And you got to log into it and then put it back.
Yeah, I already signed that one yesterday.
Oh, you've already done it?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you already did it? I thought you.
Yeah, I just couldn't remember exactly where it was. I'll kind of lay it down so it can't get wet and put that all back in there nice. There you go.
There, I don't.
That one was very well hidden.
Yeah, okay.
Because if you look around, all the rocks look the same here.
Well, yeah.
You know, for anybody to even look at that, it's just like
Oh, the rocks are
very
the same.
cool the way they do that. But we found that with the use of a GPS.
Yeah, well, that was pretty fun and pretty quick, actually. So I guess he has some other ones he wants to find. Again,
There's 10 of them we're after today.
I think I might try to metal detect too. So we're going to head back to the truck, and I will get back with y'all here shortly. Okay, y'all. Bill is trying to send me off my own. Here's the GPS thingy. Was it?
It's GPS.
A GPS
Global Positioning System.
And he's got a log in it. Anyways, I'm gonna go see if I could try to find it. So let's get out the truck, y'all. Excuse the not so wonderful filming skills. Trying to open the door. No, Bruno, got both hands full. Okay, so I'm supposed to be looking at this thing. And when it gets on the circle, I'm supposed to be near it. Kind of hard filming and trying to do this at the same time.
Now remember how this guy operates, so
Rocks.
probably going to be the same.
I'm getting close to the thing, I think.
Yeah, and he's real good on his coordinates, so if it says you're close, you're there.
Well, look, come here.
Yeah, we're real close. It's over here somewhere. It might be
Well,
where that
you
stick
film.
is. All right, I'll
How
film.
about that?
Yep.
Thank you, honey. It's hard to do both.
No problem.
So I've got to get on that dot, right?
Yeah.
I think I might be getting close. Am I on the dot? I'm close to the dot.
Yeah.
But
Get right on the dot. Like I said, he's real good about being right on top of his coordinates. And somebody stuck a stick in there for some reason. I wonder why. Look, because that's where it is. I'll bet you. Pick that rock up right there.
it's not directly on the dot.
No, but that's close. That's my guess. No, not there. Right here, honey.
What?
Right there at the end of the stick. No, don't pull the stick out. Grab the rock right
Honey, I'm
there.
having trouble walking on the rocks. Hold on. There it is.
Bingo.
Oh, I'm acting like I'm filming. I want to go like this with the thing like it was my camera. I've been filming so long. I was acting like this was my camera. Okay, some cars passed by, but I found it. There it is. So basically he's got a...
Uh-oh. That one's got a goodie in it.
Some of them have stuff in it that you have to trade for the same amount. Like it's got to be the same value.
Yeah, usually I just put something
Or he just signed the log.
in. I usually just sign the log and stick something in there. Unless it's
Okay.
cool.
Okay, well, we have found, gotta be careful on these rocks. We have found one, well, I have found one, my first one, and I guess we're doing some more. Should get back in the truck and get back with y'all. Well, Bill is looking for, I think this will be number 3. I'm sitting in the truck with the puppies in the air conditioning. But, and then when he gets back, he logs in. He logs it and puts his name and then puts it back in the bottle. And this time we've been adding some trinkets. I don't know if you can see that. Excuse the mess in the truck. We've got a bunch of junk in here. But little trinkets I pick out that you just put in there. We got a bunch of them. But yeah, I think you found it. I believe so. That's a fun little thing to do, like a treasure hunting little thing. Let's see. Did you find it, honey?
It's closer to the gate.
Oh, he didn't find it yet. Okay, y'all.
No, we're gonna go up closer to the gate.
He's gonna go up here and look again. He's not there yet, but I got the trinket ready to put in it. It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is. Somewhere right here.
Okay.
This time I'll get it.
All right, y'all. I decided to get out the truck and maybe help him find this.
This one's a little tougher.
Where is it saying where you're at? Is it on the dot?
They keep switching around.
But it's saying right here?
Right in here. Now it's telling me.
What's it saying?
Well, it's that way.
What?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Let me get back here with y'all when he figures out this GPS. Okay, y'all. We came upon it. It's right under this rock. There we go. And Bill has to go sign it.
Anything in it?
And
Oh yeah, there's something in this one
and
too.
then I'm gonna put a trinket in it.
Cool. Let's go do it. Hey, look at that cat face.
Oh, that's cool. All right, let's go sign this. I was sitting here in the truck and Bill was putting the geocache back, and we got a little snaky snake.
It's like a garter snake or a brown snake.
I don't know what kind of snake
But it was
is.
right with the geocache.
But it's probably thinking, please put me down.
Yeah, I'm gonna go let him go where we found him.
I know, so apparently he was right there where I picked it up, but I didn't even see him. I didn't even see the snake.
Count him. I don't know. Count him.
Okay, y'all. I think we're done for the day with the geocaching, and let's see, we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We've done 9 of them. I still haven't metal detected yet. I've been helping Bill do the geocache and I'm finding them. I still may go back to the woods across from the campground we're staying in and maybe break out the detector. I'm not sure yet. But I won't do an ending yet because I'm not sure if I'm going to detect or not and film anymore. So I'll get back with y'all. Well, y'all, we're done with the geocaching for today, and I never made it to go metal detecting because Bill, my sweetie, took me out to lunch here at the restaurant on the campground, Mormon Lake campground that we're at. They have a little restaurant that's open on the weekends, and it was actually pretty good. We got fish and chips, but they have burgers, steak, and all that too. So pretty good stuff. I'd like to eat there again. So no more metal detecting today. I didn't get it in. But we're just going to relax the rest of this day, and we'll try to maybe go out in the woods tomorrow metal detecting. So, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you enjoy these videos. See you in the next one.